lovely viewers, you're welcome back to my channel, Blossom Becca GH. Thanks to all my subscribers for liking, commenting and sharing my previous video. I'm really grateful for your massive support. And today, I'm here to share with you an exciting and succulent recipe, Sobolo. It has no preservatives and additives. It has so many health benefits. It lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and it also helps in weight loss. So, without talking too much, join me and let's get into the video. These are my ingredients. I have here ginger. This is my cloves. This is my grains of selim. And my sugar. I'm using sugar, but you can use any sweetener like honey or any sweetener at all that you want. This is the main ingredient, the hibiscus leaves or flowers, and lastly my pineapple. So I start by cutting my pineapple. I'll be using the back of the pineapple.
Yesu fata shira, Yesu fata tutubanuti meina ya danina. Yesu fata ayeyi, Yesu fata shira, Yesu fata
Because I'll be using the
tutubanuti
back, I've washed this very well to prevent any sand that has been trapped. I'm transferring my ingredients into the blender. I'm going to blend everything. I'll stir for everything to incorporate. Okay, so my Sobolo is ready now, but I'm going to strain it. I'll leave some. And Sobolo is now ready. You can serve it with some chilled iced tea. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get any new video I post. Thank you so much for watching.